Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2016 Chevrolet Cruze. Connecting your Bluetooth is easy to do, as there are easy-to-follow steps in the electronic menu for connecting your phone. Other models make this much harder. Checking the brake fluid level is easy to do, as the fluid reservoir is easily visible in the engine bay. You will be able to check and replenish the fluid level on a regular basis. The components of the spare tire are easily accessible in the rear of the vehicle. This keeps the tire and jack kit ready to go in case of emergency. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. You will have to remove the glove box in order to access the cabin air filter. This will require many tools to complete, and would have been easier if there were an access panel in the rear of the glove box for access. Changing the taillight bulb is a problem to do, as you will need to remove the housing in order to complete. This will require tools you may not have readily available for repair. You will need to use a tool in order to change the front wiper blade. Other models do not require the use of tools to complete this repair. Overall, the 2016 Chevy Cruze is a relatively difficult car to maintain, but shouldn't be too hard for the experienced car owner.